Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Augustine, and I'm going to show you how to find the largest possible domain of a function containing radical or square roots and how to represent it using interval notation. Let's see the example on the board. F of x equal to square root of x squared minus 2x minus 48, where x is a subset of real numbers. How do you find the domain of this algebraic function? Pause the video and give it a try. After that, you leave your answer at the comment section. Now, since the function contains a radical or square root, the function is not defined for x squared minus 2x minus 48 less than 0. That is, if the expression under the square root is less than 0, we are going to have square root of negative numbers. And square root of negative numbers are what? Are complex numbers. So, for this function to be defined, the expression under the square root should not be less than 0. Okay, then what values will make the function defined? The function is defined if and only if x squared minus 2x minus 48 is greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because if x squared minus 2x minus 48 is greater than 0, we are going to have square root of positive numbers. Square root of positive numbers are a subset of R. If x squared minus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0, you have square root of 0, and square root of 0 is also a subset of R. So this will be the domain of the function. Now let us solve this quadratic inequality. We are going to have x squared minus 8x plus 6x minus 48 greater than or equal to 0. That is, positive 1 times negative 48 will give us negative 48. And the factors of negative 48 that will sum up to negative 2 are negative 8 and positive 6. Now let us factorize the inequality. We are going to have x times x minus 8 plus 6 times x minus 8 greater than or equal to 0. X minus 8 times x plus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Now let us forget about the inequality sign first and then take equal to. After that, we come up to the inequality sign. You have x minus 8 times x plus 6 equal to 0. We are going to have x equal to positive 8, x equal to negative 6. Now we are going to represent the roots of the inequality on the number line. So now on the number line, we have negative 6 and positive 8. Here we are going to test values between negative 6 and positive 8 in the quadratic inequality to see if they satisfy the inequality. Now, the best value to choose if you have is 0, because 0 is easy to work with. And here between negative 6 and positive 8, we have 0. So we are going to put x equal to 0 into the inequality. 0 squared is 0. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. Minus 48 equal to minus 48. Now this minus 48 is less than 0. This implies that values between positive 8 and negative 6 will not satisfy the inequality that we have here. So if I stand on negative 6, I will take numbers to its left. And if I stand on positive 8, I will take numbers to its right. Now I'm going to shade the point because of the equal to sign here, that is greater than or equal to. It means the endpoints are included. So here we are going to have x less than or equal to negative 6 and x greater than or equal to positive 8. Now let us state the domain. So the domain of the function is x is such that x is less than or equal to negative 6 or x is greater than or equal to positive 8. Now we are going to represent this using interval notation. We know that for the interval notation, we use the parenthesis brackets to show that the endpoints are not included, and the rectangular brackets to show that the endpoints are included. Now, if we come to negative 6, numbers less than negative 6 move up to negative infinity. So you have negative infinity to negative 6. Here, negative infinity cannot be included. If we come to positive 8, numbers greater than positive 8 also move up to positive infinity. So we have positive 8 to positive infinity. This shows that positive infinity cannot be included. So we can also state the domain using these interval notations. That is, in bracket negative infinity to negative 6 union positive 8 to positive infinity. So we can state the largest possible domain using this or that. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any question related to this, leave it at the comment section. And if you have any other mathematics question too, you can leave it at the comment section and I'll be of help. Bye bye.